Hi families, welcome back to my channel, my old subscribers, and if you are new turning to this channel for the first time, you guys are welcome. In this today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to do a lovely Fulani hairstyle. Please pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end so that you enjoy making this lovely hairstyle. So guys, you achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you go ahead and you begin to braid like 4 braid at the back as an individual braid, just to make the braid look very full at the back. So after that, when you are done with the individual braid, you go ahead and you section the hair into 2 equal parts. As you can see what I'm doing here guys, make sure your parting is very sharp, part it very neat so that you'll be able to achieve a lovely cornrow. So after that, you secure one side, then you begin to work on the other side. Comb it very well to make it look very fluffy, and make sure you apply your cream just to moisturize the scalp. After that guys, you go ahead and you begin to work on the hair by achieving the Ghana cornrow. First thing, you start with the natural hair first before you start adding the extension. So here right now I'm using color 27 and it's 2-pack cotton 3. Can you see guys, you start with the natural hair first. So when you braid like 2 inches, you begin to add the extension. The first one you are adding is very small, so the more the hair is going to the back, the more the extension becomes bigger. Can you see guys? Make sure you hold it firm, not too tight. Just pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end so that you not miss any step of doing this lovely hairstyle. There's so many different Fulani hairstyle, but I just decided to show you guys how to do this lovely one, and you find it very easy. Just pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end. Can you see guys? That's how you keep going. Hold it firm, not too tight. So the reason why you should start with the natural hair to avoid all these rashes and to make your clients feel more comfortable. Can you see guys? That's how you keep going, and I'm almost done with this first side. Can you see? This is the last one I want to braid. Then I'll move on to the second side and repeat the same thing on the other side. Can you see guys? You start with the natural hair first, then you begin to add the extension. Hold it firm, not too tight. Can you see? So I'm using 2-pack of expression to achieve this lovely hairstyle, because my clients actually want it very long, as in very long. That's how you keep going guys. Can you see? Please, if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please feel at home. Let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. Can you see guys? So that's how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. So now I'm done with the second side, just remaining one for me to achieve the cornrow on. Can you see, guys? So when you are done with this lovely hairstyle, you go ahead and you trim it, because trimming is part of the beautiful of the cornrow. When you trim it very well, you will love the outcome. So you have to take your time to trim the hair so that the hair will look very neat. Can you see, guys? Can you see? I'm actually showing you the lines for you to see how everything laid properly. So guys, this is the last one here I'm doing. You start with the natural hair first. After that, you begin to add the extension. You start with the smaller one, then the more you go to the back, the more the extension become bigger. And that's all about this lovely hairstyle. Please share this video to your loved ones, guys, please. And please watch ads. That's the only way you guys can appreciate your girl. Please just watch the ads. I'm begging you guys, at least 20 or 30 seconds, please. And please share this video to your loved ones. And if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please let me know in a comment section. Can you see, guys? Make sure the Ghana weaving is not too tight, as in the Ghana cornrow. And if you really want to know how to do the Ghana cornrow, if you're a beginner, please, I have so many videos in my channel where I do a slow-mo how to do the Ghana cornrow. But this one, I'm just showing you how to do the Fulani hairstyle. There's so many different Fulani hairstyle, so I decided to show you guys this lovely one. So when you are done, you go ahead and trim. You put it inside the water, and then you apply your accessory. Don't forget to apply your moons as well. Can you see? This is the tip of the hair, and my clients actually love this lovely braid. As you can see, wow, can you see the happiness in her? She's so much in love with this lovely hairstyle. So guys, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate every one of you here. Please let me know in the comment section. I love you all. Bye bye.